When it comes to wearing shorts in the summertime, if I asked you, how comfortable are you on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being, I got this, and number 1 being, never, I would say I'm about a 2. Would you agree with me that everyone has that thing, that body part that we go, no, I don't like to show that in public. I'm embarrassed about it. I don't like it. Oh, it's not my best feature. Whether it's your arms, whether it's your tummy, whether it's your legs, we all have that. And I think that no matter how many times somebody says, girl, just do it. Just be proud of it. Just wear those shorts. Just wear that short sleeve shirt. I think that we all have that thing inside of us that goes, yeah, I hear ya, but no. So today we're going to talk about being more comfortable and being more confident in shorts. Hi, I'm Dawn with Just Doing My Best. If you're here for the first time, I'm so glad that you're here. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best where we are right now, which brings us to short season. And if you're like me, I live in the South. It's 150 degrees on average in July and August with about 117% humidity. So to say that it's hot and sticky in the summertime is an understatement. And I don't like to wear shorts. I've never been super comfortable wearing shorts, but when it's hot and it's gross outside, sometimes I'm just like, okay, you know what? I don't care what I look like. I'm just gonna put on shorts. This is actually one of 2 videos about wearing shorts. Today, I'm going to share 5 ideas to help us all look and feel more confident wearing shorts. The next video is outfit ideas. So the first tip that I have for you to help you look and feel more confident in shorts is find a pair of shorts where the leg opening is wider than your legs. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. But most of us just don't love our legs at this age, at this weight, at this time in our lives. And one of the things that will really help is when you have that leg opening a little wider than your leg, it gives the illusion that your legs are thinner and your legs are slimmer. And who doesn't want to look like they're just a little bit thinner than what they actually are? Now, speaking of our legs looking thinner and longer, my second tip is I want you to think about wearing a nude shoe. When you wear a nude shoe, what that does is it creates the illusion that your feet just blend in with your legs and it looks like one long, clean line, making your legs look thinner and longer. We all love a really cute, colorful shoe. But what happens is when we wear a really cute, colorful shoe or something with an ankle strap, then it looks like you have long legs and then your eyes stop and boom, there are your feet. But when you wear a nude shoe or something that blends in with your skin tone, it just creates that super long, clean line and you look like you have thinner legs. My third tip to help you look and feel more confidence in your shorts is inseam matters. Now, I am not going to sit here and tell you you are too old to be wearing short shorts. I think we all get to a point where we figure that out on our own, what we're the most comfortable with, right? Okay, but 4 to 5 inches, or about when you put your hands down, the tip of your index finger is a great flattering length on everyone. So if your leg opening is wider, let me tell you what a 4 or a 5-inch inseam will do for you. So when you wear a 4 or a 5-inch inseam and you put that together with the leg opening being wider than your legs, I want you to think about something. Stick with me on this. What that means is a 4 or 5-inch inseam means it's probably going to hit at about the widest part of your leg, right? Okay, so stick with me. what's going to happen is when we wear longer shorts or we wear a cropped jean or a cropped pant, it gives the illusion that the only leg we have is what's sticking out of the bottom of the pants or the shorts. If the legs are a 4 or a 5-inch inseam, right, or the leg opening is wider than the leg, then what's coming out of the bottom of your shorts looks like you have long legs. It's going to make you look taller. It's going to make you look like you have longer, thinner legs, where when you wear longer shorts or cropped leg jeans, it can make you look even shorter, and in some cases can make our legs look even wider. My fourth tip is to wear a darker short. When you wear red shorts or white shorts or any other bright colored short, it's going to draw attention. So if that's not your favorite feature, if you're behind, if your legs or whatever are not your favorite feature, then you definitely want to stick with a darker short, a very dark denim or a dark blue or a black to feel the most confident and to draw the least amount of attention to that part of your body. So my fifth tip to help us look and feel a little bit better, a little bit more confident in shorts is to try a self-tanner or a bronzer. And stick with me because I do have a bonus tip. Remember when we were younger and we laid out in the sun and we were out there with our spray bottle of water and our baby oil and our sun in? We thought we were something, but our legs were tan and they looked beautiful. Well, now I don't ever wear shorts, so my legs are scary white. So about twice a week, I put on a bronzer or a self-tanner just to give my legs just a little bit of a glow, just to give them a little bit of a boost and to kind of hide some of those veins. Well, in the comments below, I'm going to link my favorite bronzer and my bonus. So this is my bonus. So I love a bronzer, but if you wanted to step it up just a little bit, like maybe you're going to an event, you're going to a wedding, you're going to be outside, you're going to be doing something where you really have to show your legs, otherwise you're just going to sit there and sweat to death. So this is my little bonus tip. I want you to see this. This is basically makeup for your legs. Do you see how that's covering? Right now up close, it looks a little thick, but it will cover all of those imperfections. You blend it right in, and it will cover all of those imperfections on your legs. So I will leave a link to both of those products in the description below of this video so that you can find them. And I hope you liked these tips, just some ideas to help us all look good and feel more confident wearing shorts. Now, remember, my next video is outfit ideas for wearing shorts, so that I hope that you will look for that. For now, leave me a comment. Let me know what was your favorite tip. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you'll come over and find me on Instagram and Facebook at Just Doing My Best and say hi. For now, please go out today and do your best and be blessed.